Hello everyone. In this video I want to show you how to install Visual Studio Code and how to start using it for Python development. In a previous video we saw how to use Notepad++, and maybe you are familiar with an integrated development environment, for instance with PyCharm. This Visual Studio Code is another text editor, and we can place it between Notepad++ and PyCharm. So this is more complex than Notepad++, which is quite a basic text editor, but it's not an IDE. It is less than an IDE, but it's a very powerful text editor. Okay, let's see how to install it. First visit its homepage at code.visualstudio.com, or you can simply type its name in Google and then download the installer. I have already downloaded it, so I won't download it again. And once you get the installer, start it, and then the installation process will start. Okay, accept it, and yeah, you can install it here. It will be a bit hard to find it, but fine, go on and select it, create an icon on the desktop, and make sure that this square is selected, that is, add it to the path. It's very important. Add it to the path. Good. We are ready. I don't want to start it yet. Close it. Close every window. And let's verify that it was really added to the path. You should find the system icon. It is in the control panel, and there is an icon for the system, this one. Then here special settings, and then environment variables, and then check the content of path either here on the top, or if it doesn't exist here, there is another path at the bottom. But if you have it at the top, start with this, and as you can see, Visual Studio Code /bin, so this directory was added to the path. Good, we will need it. Close these windows, and now start Total Commander. And I created a project, I mean a simple Python program, and now I want to open it in Visual Studio Code. If you use Total Commander, that I highly suggest, then simply start typing code space dot. It will appear here in the command line, and press enter. There is a space before the dot, so code space dot. Enter, and it will start Visual Studio Code in this directory, in the projects directory. Dot means the current directory. We can select this. Yes, I trust the authors. Okay, and we can close it. And then here on the left side we can see the content of this directory, so hello.py is there. Open it, Okay, and now open hello.py, click on it, and Visual Studio Code recognizes that this is a Python program, and it offers to install some useful plugins for this extension for Python software development. So you can choose install, and it will install some really useful plugins. Okay, it is installed. We can close it. And if you click on this icon, then we can go back to the File Explorer. If you want to hide this File Explorer, simply press Ctrl B. If you press it again, then the File Explorer will come back. If you want to execute this program, then simply go back to Total Commander, start the DOS window, the terminal, and here just type the name of the file and it will be executed. You will see the output here. If you modify the program, for instance hello Python, save it, Ctrl S, come back, execute it again, you will see the modifications. Okay, so the workflow will be similar to Notepad++. You use the editor for editing and you use the terminal for executing the program and see the result. I will make another video in which I will show you how to customize Visual Studio Code, because it's a complex text editor with lots of options, lots of features, and I will also show you some nice plugins that we will install together to make this text editor even more useful. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you for your attention.